believe if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day by Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September, which also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian philosopher and the second president of Teachers' Day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put by their teachers to ensure that they get a proper education. Today's assembly program is brought to you by your favorite teachers. A day without prayer is a day without blessings, and a life without prayer is a life without power. The inspiring teacher of KV Kollam, Mr. Nilesh Dattode, PNT Music, is here with the prayer. I request all the staff members to accompany sir. Nilesh sir.
No, I am playing here. I have the recorded one.
Yes. Patriotism is supporting your country and your government when it deserves it. Most enthusiastic teacher of KV Kulla, Mrs. Gigi Jacob, primary teacher, is here to deliver the pledge.
Pledge position. Pledge. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country
my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
What do you think you become? How do you feel to attract? But imagine you the most reliable is Tina Mary, PGTP City Security Today's Thought.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. We know is not enough. We must do. It means that if only we apply our knowledge, it gains meaning and will help us to lead a successful life. There is no magic or mantra that will directly lead us to our dreams. We have to put our dreams into action in order to realize them. Thank you.
You have to have good reading habits and pay attention to the news and just everything that's going on in the world. You need to. Most friendly, Mr. KJ John, PGT Biology, and most cheerful, Mr. Premchand, PGT Sanskrit is here before you to update the news.
One second, excuse me, one second. See, some others now they have unmuted their audio. That is by disturbance. I request only those who are speaking now. Others, please mute your mic, please. Now we can continue, sir. Don't, sir, continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning. Today's news is brought by myself, John, and Mr. Hemchand, TGT Sanskrit. First, some international news. Over 2.67 crore people are reported to have been infected by COVID-19 pandemic, out of which 1.8 crore have been treated and discharged as of now. Deaths have reached 8,78,000. Widespread COVID-19 vaccinations not expected until mid-2021, says WHO. Defense Minister Sri Rajnath Singh and his Chinese counterpart General Wei Fenghe held a meeting Friday night in Moscow to try and resolve the border crisis. US President Mr. Donald Trump calls India-China border conflict critical and offered to mediate talk. India and Russia have agreed to increase their engagement in defense industry and to expedite establishment of AK-203 rifles factory at Amethi. Russia also assured that it will follow a policy of no arms supply to Pakistan following India's request. Now some national news. With over 83,000 cases and more than 1,000 deaths for yet another day, the COVID-19 tally in India rose to 40 lakh with 69,600 fatalities. Despite high testing levels, daily COVID-19 positivity rate is below 7.5% in India. CBSE Class 10 and 12 compartment examinations to be held from September 22nd to 29. JEE and NEET exams to go ahead. Supreme Court reject review petition filed by 6 non-BJP states for postponing JEE and NEET exams. Now some state news. Kuttanad and Chavara by-polls to be held in November along with Bihar Assembly elections. Both LDF and UDF welcomed the decision, whereas BJP is unhappy with the decision. Kerala records 2,479 COVID-19 cases and the tally reaches 82,105. State recorded 2,716 recoveries. 2,255 contracted the disease through the contact. 11 COVID deaths were confirmed in the state, taking the toll to 327. Kochi Metro to resume service from Monday. So that's all. Now I hand over the mic to Mr. Hemchand for the rest of the news. Thank you.
खेलों की दुनिया में आपका स्वागत है। सुप्रभात। सुनिए खेल समाचार हेमचंद के साथ। अपने 24वें ग्रैंड स्लैम खिताब की कवायद में लगी सेरेना विलियम्स ने यूएस ओपन टेनिस टूर्नामेंट में जगह बनाई। सेरेना ने 117वें नंबर की रूसी खिलाड़ी मार्गरेटा ग्रेस्पायरान को 6-2, 6-4 से हराया। सेरेना का अगला मुकाबला स्टीफन्स से होगा। कोरोना काल में देश का पहला खेल आयोजन रांची में JSCA झारखंड राज्य क्रिकेट संघ और TCM स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट पार्टनर्स द्वारा प्रायोजित T20 लीग के रूप में 15 सितंबर से शुरू होगा। मौसम जानकारी। अधिकतम तापमान 31 अंश और न्यूनतम तापमान 27 अंश रहने की संभावना है। आर्द्रता आज 87% रहने की संभावना है। दृश्यता 11 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। वर्षा की संभावना 55%। विद्यालय समाचार। आज केंद्रीय विद्यालय कोल्लम में प्राचार्य श्री शशि कुमार जी महोदय के नेतृत्व में आज हमारा विद्यालय शिक्षक दिवस को बड़े ही हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहा है। आज अध्यापकों की भूमिका में हमारे विद्यालयों में अध्यापन कार्य को संभालेंगे। अंत में शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, जो बनाए हमें इंसान, दे सही गलत की पहचान, उन शिक्षकों को बारंबार प्रणाम। शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद एवं आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
Thank you, sir. Words are not only the vehicles in which thoughts delivered, they are part of thinking. Our creative teacher, Mrs. Preeti Singh, TGT Art, is here with a new word to enrich our vocabulary. Preeti, ma'am.
Preeti ma'am, switch on your mic. Then you repeat.
Okay. Good morning. Today's new word is presenting by Preeti Singh. Today's new word is preceptor, spelled as PRECEPTOR. हिंदी में गुरु, शिक्षक। वाक्य प्रयोग। गुरु शिक्षक वह दीपक है जो खुद को जलाकर दूसरों को रोशनी देता है। इंग्लिश में बिहाइंड एवरी ग्रेट पर्सन इज ए ग्रेट प्रिसेप्टर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. A personal trainer will create a special program for you and will keep you motivated. He will help you start on the proper plan and right mindset. Most innovative and dynamic teacher of KV Kollam, Mrs. Vinny B. is here with special program.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। आज का विशेष कार्यक्रम लेकर प्रस्तुत है मिनी। गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंद दियो बताए। हमारे सभी गुरुजनों का मेरा प्रणाम। हमारे माता पिता के बाद हमारे मार्गदर्शन करने वाले सिर्फ हमारे गुरुजन ही होते हैं। सारे गुरुजनों के लिए एक छोटा सा पेशकश। गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। प्रियतम तुही प्राणनाथ तुम्ही, प्रियतम तुम्ही प्राणनाथ तुम्ही। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तुम्ही भक्ति हो, तुम्ही शक्ति हो, तुम्ही भक्ति हो, तुम्ही शक्ति हो, तुम्ही मुक्ति हो मेरे सांब शिवा। तुम्ही मुक्ति हो मेरे सांब शिवा। गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा, गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। आप सबको आज शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से सभी के लिए और मेरे सारे प्यारे प्यारे मेरे शिक्षक बंधुओं के लिए। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद मैडम। One more special program by our melodious music teacher, Mr. Nilesh Kathode.
Please switch on the mic.
Mic is off.
नीलेश जी आवाज नहीं है। नीलेश जी आवाज
Sir,
नहीं है।
not audible. Sir.
Mic is unmuted.
No, this is Shibu sir is presenting, sir. It's not audible.
Mic is off.
Mic is muted.
I'm muted.
Shibu sir. Sound नहीं आ रहा सर.
I am correcting it, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. Please hold. Is it audible, sir, now?
Yes sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, करते पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Thank you, sir. Really amazing. Imagine your mind like a book and your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in it. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance. Or you can plant seeds of negativity, fears, and lack. You can also spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden. Or you can work on making yours beautiful and attract other beautiful people to your garden. Thank you all. Now, Priya, handing over the mic to class 4 students for conducting the Teachers' Day program. Thank you once again.
Nandana R. Rajesh and Rahana Rajagopal, please come forward for the second session of the program.
शिक्षक उस दीपक के समान है जो स्वयं जलकर दूसरों को प्रकाश देता है.
A very warm and cheerful morning to one and all present over here. This is me, Nandana, and my friend Rahana. Welcome you all to the Teachers' Day celebration of our Vidyalaya. On behalf of the entire students, we wish all our beloved teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. No program has a beginning without remembering the Almighty. So, I would like to invite Honorable Principal Shri Shashikumar Sir to lighten the lamp and also to garland the photograph of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is celebrated to remember the birth anniversary of former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was one of the greatest teachers of India. Now, I would like to call upon Gauri Parvati of 12th A to deliver the welcome speech.
जीवन में कभी हार न मानना, संघर्षों से कभी न भागना, वो कुछ भी सच्चाई के मार्ग पर चलना, ये आप ही तो हमें सिखाते हैं, इसलिए शिक्षक कहलाते हैं. A very cheerful morning to one and all. Alexander the Great had once said, "I'm indebted to my father for living, but to my teachers for living well." Today, on 5th September, by the birth anniversary of our former President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we are all gathered on this online platform to commemorate those who have taken up the task of educating us, our teachers, to whom we are all indebted, not just today, but every other day. It is my honor that I'm given the opportunity to welcome all of you to our Teachers' Day celebration 2020. I first extend my gracious welcome to the motivator and guiding pillar of this great institution, our respected principal, Sri G. Shashikumar Sir. I welcome you, sir. Now, I'm pleased to say that we are blessed with the presence of two inspiring and dedicated teachers who always showed us the right path to move on. I would like to give a warm welcome to respected Sri Vijay Kumar Sir, retired PGT Mathematics, KBS, and respected Srimati Moli Panikar Madam, retired PGT English, KBS. Welcome, sir. Welcome, madam. Next, let me welcome our constant source of encouragement, our guiding light, our teachers. Welcome, dear loving teachers. Now, I welcome all the office staff, without whom our Vidyalaya wouldn't have run so smoothly. Next, I welcome all the sub-staff, the nurturing hands of our Vidyalaya. And finally, I welcome all the students of 12th A and 12th B and all the students. A hearty welcome to each and every one of you who have joined us on this grand occasion. All the talents showcased by the students of our Vidyalaya is a proof that our teachers play a great role in building up the characters of the students and shape them to become an ideal citizens of India. Once again, I cordially welcome all of you and to this prestigious event. And thank you all for joining. Let's work together to make this event the most memorable. Welcome to everybody and wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
अब छात्र शिक्षकों द्वारा शिक्षकों को सम्मानित करने जा रहा हूं।
Ramona.
It's hard to put in words exactly how much of an impact a teacher has made in our lives. Today, we celebrate you and thank you for inspiring and motivating us and for being the great teacher that you are.
Thank you, Shashikumar sir. He's someone under who we've all been our best. With you, sir, at our helm, we've had the best of everything. You've been a great principal and a brilliant person to look up to.
I would like to thank our teachers on behalf of all of us for the innumerable love and support. It's you who provided us with the fundamental knowledge and instruction, as well as helped us in developing our personalities and skills, igniting our imagination and instilling hope in us. Each and every one of you were always there to reach out to us, creating a relationship of mutual trust and helping us understand our mistake and also helping us rectify ourselves. You are the one who made learning an easy and meaningful process for us. Actually, you are the real heroes of our life, who taught us to fly and reach out to whatever would come. We don't have enough words to thank you, yet we thank you for being such an amazing teacher for all of us, for all your great lessons. We are so fortunate to have you on our journey. Once again, thank you all for your valuable time and support, and we seek your blessings in the journey ahead.
Our primary teachers are the ones who first took our hands, opened our minds, and touched our hearts. How can we ever thank you enough for taking us through the shores of the vast ocean of knowledge and molding us into a better person? We love you so much and are greatly honored and privileged to have you as our teachers.
We also express our sincere gratitude to all the other non-teaching staff of our Vidyalaya whose services have contributed to the successful running of the Vidyalaya. Thank you so much.
Sir, we got the photos of two teachers late, so that also will present now. Short presentation. Sir, was it seen? Was the second video seen, sir?
No, no, madam.
Okay, okay, okay. That's it, sir. I hope it could be seen, sir.
We could see. You can continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That's it. That's it, sir.
Next, I would like to call upon Vinayakis Nair of 12th A to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day.
Vinayak.
Sir, I'll present.
Teachers' Day at Kendriya Vidyalaya Kollam is a festival-like atmosphere. It is a day that is filled with fanfare for every single student in the school. Teachers and their contribution to society tend to go underappreciated. But today is a day when we look back. When we look back at what they've given us. When we look back at what they've made us. And when we look back at how they've influenced and changed us. Here are some of the students, both present and past, sharing their thoughts about the teachers that have taught them and wishing the teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
My name is Indreja J. I am studying in first standard KV Kollam. I love my teacher. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you. They all love and guide us. I wish them all happy Teachers' Day.
A teacher is a friend and guide of our life. I love all my dear teachers.
On this Teachers' Day, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who give an impeccable contribution in shaping us.
Though teachers write in black and white, they bring colors in the lives of students. I take this opportunity to thank all the teachers of KV Kollam.
During my 8 years in Kendriya Vidyalaya Kollam, I am very happy to say that I was lucky to have been a student of many wonderful teachers. The influence of good teachers can never be erased. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us better persons.
On account of Teachers' Day, I thank to all my beloved respected teachers for all the hard work and efforts you have put in for educating us. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide and the candle to my life.
I joined the KVS family at the age of 6 and now I am 15. It's been a 10 years long journey with my cute and caring teachers. They carved me into a man of personality and taught me how to become an inspiration for others.
One who works selflessly and expect nothing in return. Let me thank all my teachers who taught me to strive for excellence and to become a better version of myself.
Hi, I'm Devamrita. This is a golden opportunity to thank my teachers who made me who I am today. You people really influenced me a lot, and you are the reason to explore the talents in me. Wishing that all your blessings may shower on all of us. Thank you and wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Hey everyone, I know it's been a year since I left school, but the influence you guys had on me, that's something that will never change. Especially as someone who spent all of their 12 years in the same school, I think 90% of who I am right now is something that was molded when I was in school. And amongst everything that is there to KV Kollam, I think the major part that has definitely helped me steer my life into a better direction would be the teachers of KV Kollam, and that's you guys. And I'm quite proud of the person that I am today. For the very same reason, I'm proud of the teachers I've had in my life too. And on this occasion, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I just love to express my gratitude for just being there in my life and helping me out with everything, mentoring me, and not just to do good in academics, not just to do well in academics, but also to be a better human and to do good outside school also. And yes, once again, happy Teachers' Day to you all, and thank you.
Hi, this is Lakshmi Ratan, currently pursuing my BSMS at ISM Mohali. But I would be more happy to introduce myself still as a student of KV Kollam. From being a very shy and introvert child to being able to express myself very beautifully now, I owe a lot to the teachers and all staff members of KV Kollam family. Be it academic or any part of me, have been carefully carved by my teachers during my 11-year-long journey here. It's them who inspired me to dream big and achieve great things. It's them who made me who I am. So, on this occasion, I would like to wish them a very beautiful, happy Teachers' Day.
I'm Naren Mohammadus, 2017 batch. On this Teachers' Day, I would like to express my love and gratitude towards all my teachers for putting up with our classroom madness, for telling us between right and wrong, even when we didn't want to listen, for your advices and scoldings. It taught us more than just science, math, and languages. It taught us how to grow. It taught us more than that. We came to as naive children, but on the way we grew up. Thank you for putting up with us. We cannot express our love and gratitude with mere words, but then again wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Throughout my academic career, all my teachers have been a pillar of strength by constantly motivating and guiding us to a better future. When I joined this Vidyalaya in 2007, we had very limited infrastructure. We didn't have proper labs, we didn't have proper playgrounds, and classrooms had to be rented from the neighboring school for teaching us. But we had a handful of teachers who stood by our side, who were determined to see this Vidyalaya prosper. The KV we have today is a result of their continuous effort to make this place a better one for all the students. To quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, there is no other profession in this world more important to a society than that of a teacher. On this joyful occasion of Teachers' Day, I sincerely thank all my teachers from the bottom of my heart for being there with us in this wonderful journey. Thank you.
What more do I need to add? What you've heard so far shows just how much the teachers mean to us. I'd like to remind every teacher listening to this that we're all very proud to call ourselves your students. Thank you.
अब कविता आलापन के लिए कार्तिक राम और विनायक राम को स्वागत करते हूँ।
Is it audible, sir?
Sir, actually, nothing is being presented. The presentation has been.
Yeah, one minute. 1 minute.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणे विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। या कुण्डेषु तुषारः रथवना या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा परदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृति देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति।
I would like to call Marsha LS of 12th A to deliver a speech.
चिन्मयं व्यापितं सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री Gurave Namaha, which means salutations to the Guru who revealed to me that the radiance and splendor within my consciousness pervade the three worlds. A teacher is a candle that illuminates our lives with the light of knowledge and dispels all the darkness. A teacher is the potter who, with utmost care and perfection, molds each pot so that it's filled to the brim with success. A teacher is a weaver who weaves out our future in the most exquisite style. A teacher is a cool breeze whose soothing words brush aside all our worries. A teacher is an artist who fills the canvas of her life with the most vibrant colors. And a teacher is God incarnated with all his glory and greatness. I would like to thank all my beloved teachers on this day on behalf of all of us for being such a wonderful part of our lives. We are infinitely grateful to each one of you for the love and care you have showered upon us. You are truly great, dear teachers, and this is no cliche. I do mean it. We do love you a lot. We will never forget you and will definitely rise up to your expectation. It's a promise. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
अब हमारे दो सहेलियां रमोना और नेहा अध्यापकों के लिए नृत्य अवतरण करने जा रहा हूं। मैं उन्हें स्वागत करती हूं।
देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामे हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू, है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स मी। रोज दिखाती जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों पे रख दे. Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम. Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. हर पन्ने पे हो एक नई कहानी, हर एंड को हैप्पी हम करें. हर बात की दे दे छूट, हर दिन कोई तोहफा क्यूट जो भी हो साथ ना छोड़े. Thanks a lot, lots and lots, so many ways to say thanks a lot. गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम, अपनी ये जंग ना हो खत्म. Thanks a lot, we've thought and thought, so many ways just to say thanks a lot.
Hello, I am Ramona Maria Babu of Class 12A and I am Neha Gupta of Class 12A. On behalf of all of us, we wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
Now, I would like to call upon Lakshmi V of 12B to deliver a speech.
It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers in this wonderful occasion. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is celebrated in memory of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was also a renowned teacher. In Hindu mythology, it is Mada Pida Guru Devam. That means teachers are considered more than gods. Children spend more time with their teachers than with their parents. So, an unbreakable bond is developed between teachers and children. Likewise, teachers also in turn spend a lot of time for quality education of children, sacrificing their family life also. It is from 1962 Teachers' Day was started to be celebrated. Teachers are honored on September 5th by institutions on social and political organizations and students. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
अब एक गीत गाने के लिए मैं आयना और नेहा को स्वागत करती हूँ.
7 minutes.
Morning, everyone. First of all, wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers. And on this occasion, may I now Good morning, everyone. First of all, wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers. And on this occasion, me, Aina, and my friend Neha are here before you with a beautiful song. Hope you all enjoy it.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കാം നിവാരണ കനിവിന്നുറവിൽ കാറ്റിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴിതെളിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ കരം പിടിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ Now, I would like to invite Vijay Kumar sir, retired PGT Mathematics, KVS, to address the meeting and bless the students.
Vijay sir.
Good morning,
Vijay
all of
sir.
you. Sir, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible, audible. Good morning, all of you. Respected Shashikumar sir, Molly madam, dear friends, and dear students of class 12. Really, I feel very happy to join with all of you after a break of some 3 months. First of all, I wish happy teaching and all the teachers of the Vidyalaya. Sincere thanks to all of you for inviting me to participate in this program. Now everything is online teaching, online meeting, online exam, online celebration, online shopping, etc. An unexpected, sudden, forced change due to COVID-19. I think only now we came to know about the real effect, the real power of freedom and happiness that we were enjoying. Just imagine that days, freedom to travel anywhere at any time without fear was enough to live happily. Now the whole world is trying. The whole world is praying for that golden days to come back as early as possible. Till then, we have to train ourselves to overcome the challenge successfully. Take suitable measures to stay safe and healthy. On this auspicious day, I wish all the success to the online efforts by teachers and students in teaching and learning process. Special congratulations to principal, class teachers, and the students of class 12 and 12B, and those who have taken initiative to conduct this program very well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अब हमें मनोरंजन करने के लिए 12वीं बी की मालविका को नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने की स्वागत करती है।
Sala 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 sala, ratta
Now, I would like to invite Molly Panikar ma'am, retired TGT English, KVS, to address the meeting and bless the students.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, Shri Sajikumar sir, my lovely colleagues, and my precious students. On this beautiful occasion, let me take the opportunity to convey my best wishes to all my dear friends. It's a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness, as our lovely students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why they are so special to them. There are very few people in our lives who impact our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. I have completed 34 years of service in KV, and let me be honest that my tenure at KV Kollam was the best one. I was able to put in my best with the support of my principal, colleagues, and very committed parents. I joined KV in 1985 and KV Kollam in 2014 when Shashikumar sir was the in-charge principal. Now when I retired, it is Shashikumar sir and as full-fledged principal. Sir is a wonderful and outstanding person, very loving and committed. Thank you very much, sir, for your support and kind words. My colleagues of KV Kollam were always been my strength. Their love and support made my stay smooth at KV Kollam. They mean a lot to me, more than my family members. This 12th standard is very special and very close to my heart, as I spent maximum years teaching them in KV Kollam. This is my message to all of you, dear students. Wherever you are, remember that you are loved and you have talent, you have good character, and you have everything that you need to face in your life. You may fail sometimes, but you always have a chance to rise and shine. You may feel sad, bad sometimes, but you have the courage and power to cope and heal. Above all, you have lovely people around you, your parents, your brothers, sisters, your friends, and your teachers. Now, as you continue to make your dreams come true, I would like to tell you that be kind, stay humble, remain focused, have faith, and believe in yourself. Do your best. Wish to see you on top, my lovely students. My blessings and good wishes are always with you, with lots of love. Your teacher, Molly Panikar.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable message. Now, I invite respected principal Shashikumar sir, to provide the Teachers' Day message and bless the students.
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
No,
Good
no.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Nearly 120 people are
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
have joined this meeting, and another maybe 50 plus they are
Good morning, sir.
viewing through the YouTube channel as well. Respected Deepti ma'am, who also have joined our program in between. Now she will be joining back after some time. Dear Vijay Kumar sir, dear Molly madam, all my learned colleagues, having children, esteemed parents, once again, good morning to one and all. At the outset, let me give my wishes on this wonderful occasion of Teachers' Day. As you all aware, this year's Teachers' Day is a special one. not only Teachers' Day, any program that we are presenting this year, especially after March, as Vijay Kumar sir rightly pointed out, he has given a number of examples. Each of these programs, each of these items, it's a unique one which none of us have ever experienced or even thought of such a life in our journey. So anyway, all the teachers, not only across the country, throughout the world, have quickly switched over to online mode of teaching, which we never thought of. Even we people were wondering what to do from May 29th. And to be frank, from the closing day onwards, I think somewhere near 8th or 7th of April was our official summer vacation closing date. But before that, our country went into lockdown. And then and there, they started, the higher-ups from the KVS started throwing light how to open up new type of teaching once the school reopens after summer vacation. But we know we went into lockdown around 18th of March, April, May, June, July, August, today is September 5th. So in nearly 6 months' time, we were not having enough freedom to move around. Lot of restrictions are there to save life as well as save our world itself. And maybe remember many of these activities or such a situation also maybe due to the man-made activity, I should say, maybe, I don't know. So presently, teachers are doing a wonderful job, especially in our Vidyalaya. Everybody is teaching online, live online classes, right from class 2 to class 12 going on. Now, after 1 week time, the class 1 children will also be joining us. So when the class 6 started this year, teachers were a little worried. Sir, we have not seen the students at all. What to do? Okay. So I could ask the class 5th, earlier class 5th class teacher kindly guide, and ma'am could guide and we could continue, and later on picked up. Some of the new teachers have joined. And now the next level is we have to start online teaching of class 1. Imagine such a situation. The students of class 1, when they are going to join from the 15th of this month, the type of skills that we should have to deal with the class 1 students. Already our teachers are given training from KVS as well as internal in-house training also we have completed. Hope that we will be able to do our best in that also. So I do not want to take much of the time. Hopefully Deepthi ma'am will be again joining. Otherwise also she has asked me to express her wishes too in this auspicious occasion. So anyway, I hope ma'am will be joining. So once again, I congratulate all my colleagues who have shown or who have put up a very good, excellent show, not only in today's activities, but throughout from say May 29th onwards till date. Various experiments. Even today we were having some experiments only. Because I remember Sindhu madam also has come to the school and she was worried whether I could give the YouTube presentation or not. Because many things we are doing based on experimentation. So anyway, she could do it by 8 o'clock. And similarly, many other teachers, the whole summer vacation, they were all trial, which platform shall we use? Because we were also worried whether we will be able to use this platform, that platform. So many other platforms were also there. So finally, with trial and error method, we could arrive this particular Google Meet platform where we could see that better than some of the other platforms because of some other facilities like Google Classroom, Google Sheet, everything. We are talking about Google only. So that is one of the reasons why we have finalized this on a letter. Of course, we were also giving some pressure to our higher-ups so that they have gone for a separate GSOT account for our region where our safety is little bit ensured. So once again, I congratulate all my colleagues on this occasion. Once again, wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. Now, Sibu sir, 1 minute, please wait, sir. I'll just make it.
Yeah, we'll hold on.
If any other program is there, you can show it once. Any dance or something already we have shown, you can once again you can just.
Nagaran sir, would you like to share something?
Good morning, sir. Thank you. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.
Subbu sir, ma'am is joining. You can just watch.
Yeah, sure.
Nagaraja sir is not speaking.
Already I made my what you call the best wishes to all my beloved teachers, sir. Thank you.
Okay. One thing I forgot. In fact, the effort taken by our senior students for arranging this program, that is also above board. And this type of experience will really help them in future whenever they go for any other organization anywhere. No, because those who are doing the real thing only will be able to put up a show. Anywhere you are going, no, that resilience will really help you out. No?
Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, madam has joined.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Deepti ma'am, good morning. Deepti ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Please unmute your mic, madam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning.
I'm happy to.
Good morning, ma'am.
Our Assistant Commissioner once has joined our program. So I request ma'am to share her feeling. Ma'am, nearly 120 our staff members as well as nearly 100 students are already attending the program. Along with that, we are telecasting it through YouTube also. So anyway, I request you to share your message on this situation, please.
So happy Teachers to all of you, Shashi Kumar sir, Principal KV Kollam, and all staff and students of KV Kollam who are attending this meeting. My day was made today. You know, I'm also a teacher, and I think I was indeed fortunate to have got a chance to witness the assembly. And as always, assembly was very wonderfully presented. And I was really surprised that, you know, in such a short time, or maybe it was already planned, because all the teachers how well you presented every item in the assembly. And so it, the children, I'm sure, you'll realize how lucky you are to have such a great team of teachers in KV Kollam taking care of all of you. And I must say that our teachers are undergoing real challenging times. But I'm also happy to say that that they have taken up every challenge head on and have so beautifully adapted to the rapidly changing times. Times do change, but in the past, I mean the recent past, it has changed so fast. But our teachers were not left behind. They also, adapted themselves so well, and they have taken up so many new, practices, and taken on new methods of teaching you all, whether it is offline or online. Now I'm sure they've become very adept at teaching in whatever method you tell them now. So my heartiest congratulations to each one of you for the wonderful assembly program and for having organized every item of the Teachers' Day. And I'm sure the children will go on to understand the role a teacher plays in their life, especially the 12th as they leave school this year. But I know a teacher's influence can never cease with the end of school days. Some of the teachers continue to motivate and inspire the children throughout their life by their actions and deeds. So I hope the children do understand the role of the primary teacher, the secondary teachers, and every teacher who has helped them through various stages of their life. So wishing all of you, the teachers and the student teachers, the very best for the day and happy celebrations. Once again, Shashi sir, thank you for having invited me to witness such a wonderful performance. So happy Teachers' Day to each one of you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, I will disconnect now. You all can carry on with your celebrations.
Okay.
Good to see you all, at least, online. It's good to see the teachers after a long time of KV Kollam. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sir, you can continue.
Nandana, vote of thanks.
धन्यवाद भाषण के लिए आदरणीय अध्यापक अजित कुमार जी को स्वागत करती हूँ।
Yes. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते सर.
सबसे पहले नमस्ते नमस्ते जी. परम आदरणीय सहायक आयुक्त महोदय, दीप्ति मैडम, आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल जी शशि कुमार सर और अन्य अध्यापकगण तथा छात्र छात्राओं, सबसे पहले मेरी तरफ से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं तथा हार्दिक बधाई। सब जानते हैं, देखिए ये हर दिन जो हम चाहते थे बीच बीच में हमें एक हॉलिडे मिले तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि कुछ राहत के लिए। लेकिन अभी देखिए, चाहे छात्र छात्राएं हो या अध्यापक गण हो या हमारे अधिकारी गण भी क्यों न हो जाए, अभी चाहते हैं कि किसी न किसी प्रकार विद्यालय खुले। देखिए यही देखिए शिक्षक और शिक्षा, इन दोनों का महत्व अन्य दिनों से ही बढ़कर आज के महामारी के संदर्भ में हम ज्यादा अपने मन में महत्व की याद करते हैं। तो यही देखिए शिक्षक का जो है सबसे अहम भूमिका है। यदि भी देखिए जैसे कि जो है विजय कुमार साहब ने बता दिया है, तो सब कुछ ई की तरफ, ई क्लास, ई कार्यक्रम सब कुछ ऑनलाइन में चल रहा है। लेकिन हमारा जो मन क्या महसूस कर रहा है। हमारा मन अभी जो है चाहता है कि जल्दी जल्दी विद्यालय खुले, जल्दी जल्दी हम अपने छात्रों से देखें, छात्र अपने अध्यापकों से देखें और इस प्रकार आदान प्रदान करें। क्योंकि छात्र देखिएगा अपने बाहर का जो माता पिता को आजकल खो रहे हैं। अध्यापक वास्तव में बाहर के, घर के बाहर के माता पिता है और इस माता पिता को देखना चाहते हैं, और हम अध्यापक अपने बाहर के जो है पुत्र पौत्रियों को, संतानों को हम देखना चाहते हैं। तो इस प्रकार हमारा जो मन धड़कता है आपस में मिलने के लिए, यही जो है शिक्षा का महत्व है, शिक्षक का महत्व है। कैसे भी हो, इस महामारी के इस संदर्भ में, इस प्रकार की कठिनाइयों के संदर्भ में भी हमारे जो छात्र छात्राओं ने और शिक्षक दिवस को जो है कार्यान्वयन करने के लिए, सफल और संपन्न बनाने के लिए जो भरसक प्रयास किया है, एकदम सराहनीय बात है। तो सबसे पहले इस संदर्भ में देखिए वो हमारी जो है सहायक आयुक्त महोदया दीप्ति मैडम को विद्यालय की तरफ से, छात्र छात्राओं की तरफ से, अध्यापकों की तरफ से और अपनी तरफ से धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहूंगा। क्योंकि और इस विरल संदर्भ में भी बहुत सारे जो है विद्यालयों को मैडम को देखना है, और संदर्भ में भी हम अपने साथ उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है और संदेश दिया है और बहुत खुशी की बात होती है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैडम। और देखिए सब जानते हैं हमारा जो है प्रिंसिपल जी और उनके तत्वावधान में हमारा हरा कार्यक्रम संपन्न हो रहा है और हर क्रियाकलापों में उसकी सूक्ष्म निगरानी होती है और हर विद्यालय, हर छात्र छात्राओं की तरफ से, अध्यापकों की तरफ से और अपनी तरफ से भी मैं अन्य धन्यवाद प्रस्तुत करता हूं। तो देखिए अन्य देखिए हमारे जो है मित्रगण, अध्यापकगण वे भी चाहते हैं जल्दी जल्दी विद्यालय खुले और विद्यालय के जो है साधारण से कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने का अवसर मिले। तो हम चाहते हैं कि भगवान से हमारी यही प्रार्थना है जल्दी ही ऐसा अवसर प्रदान करे। तो भी देखिए इस ऑनलाइन की इस दुनिया में सब लोग अपने दिल और दिमाग से छात्रों को अधिक से अधिक बात अवगत कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और सभी को विद्यालय की तरफ से धन्यवाद। और आज का जो एक कार्यक्रम विशेष रूप से विजय कुमार सर और मोड़ी पणिकर मैडम दोनों देखिए हम जानते हैं रिटायर हो चुके हैं और उसके बावजूद भी हमारे साथ मिल गए हैं और खुशी की, इससे बढ़कर खुशी की क्या बात हो सकती है। तो दोनों को पूरे विद्यालय वृंद की तरफ से, विद्यालय समूह की तरफ से, छात्रों की तरफ से, अध्यापकों की तरफ से और प्राचार्य की तरफ से, केवीएस की तरफ से मैं धन्यवाद प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। और एकदम आखिर, लेकिन जैसे कि हम जानते हैं आज के जो आज का ही नहीं है, हमारा विद्यालय और शिक्षा उसका जो है बेसिक कंपोनेंट देखिएगा, अभिन्न अंग छात्र छात्राएं ही है। तो आज के इस कार्यक्रम को संपन्न बनाने के लिए, सफल बनाने के लिए उन्होंने कितनी कठिनाइयां, परेशानियां अपनाई होगी हम सब जानते हैं और उसके लिए हमारे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है। और विषम परिस्थितियों में है ना, और सफलता पाने के लिए जो कोशिश की जाती है और ये इसका एक एकदम बेजोड़ उदाहरण है। इस विषम परिस्थिति में भी शिक्षक दिवस को संपन्न बनाने के लिए और शिक्षकों के प्रति जो आदर दिखाने के लिए उन्होंने जो भरसक प्रयास किया है वो सराहनीय से भी बाहर की बात होती है। तो भी पूरे अध्यापक की तरफ से, केंद्रीय विद्यालय कोल्लम की तरफ से, केवीएस की तरफ से जिन जिन छात्रों ने इसमें जो जो भागीदारी की है उन सभी को 12वीं कक्षा के हर बच्चों को विद्यालय की तरफ से एक बार फिर और अपनी तरफ से भी धन्यवाद प्रस्तुत करता हूं और सभी को मेरा हार्दिक धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Okay, thank you very much. So what is left next? It is again Hindi Pakhwada. To take over the virtual platform. So baton now Sibu sir can give to Adit sir baton for the next online program. And kindly inform all the students as well. We will be having our exams from October 1st. So that information you can give on Monday. Okay. Remaining things, I'll let you know.
Sir, what about the class today? Shall we reschedule the timing or shall we start from 10 o'clock?
Just start, sir. 15 minutes is enough. Again, rescheduling is not required. So just now, they can just
First period was scheduled to start at 9:30, sir. So what should we do? 9:30 to
9:30. Now you can start, madam. After 15 minutes, you just stop it.
10 minutes more, we can 10 minutes more. The first period we can give 10 minutes more.
10 minutes extra you give and you can wind up, madam. No issue. Because again, rescheduling, no. Again, there will be a lot of confusion. So just start before 10 o'clock. It will go up to 10:10. Then the remaining classes let it go like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Suppose it is at 9 o'clock, means what would have been the condition?
That's what yesterday sir told 9 o'clock.
10 minutes left for the first period. So it will go another 10 minutes, then automatically everything can be adjusted.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then once again, thank you all for arranging such a wonderful program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.